Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I went out and bought some more Constitutional Silver. I got it from the guy in Let Go that's been selling me a lot of Constitutional Silver lately, and picked up quite a bit this time, and it's really because of the deal he offered me. On this one, I paid a whopping $1. Let's just call it $1. On this one, I paid a dollar below spot for all this silver. That's right. Gave it to me for $1 below spot per ounce, and that's why I went and picked it up and became a player, because this is a great deal. So we'll go through everything that's here, but in total this works out to 15.37 troy ounces of silver and all this 90% coinage. So over 15 ounces I picked up for over $1 below spot. So let's take a look. Alright, let's get everything out of this shiny plastic bag here. Some quarters, some dimes, some more dimes, some $half, and some more dimes. So what we have here is we have 20 quarters. We have a roll of Roosevelts. Take the lid off that thing. Take a roll of Roosevelts. We have a roll of Mercuries. That one on top is kind of ugly. That happens sometimes, but so let me get one up here we can see. Roll of Mercuries. And plus some additional. So there's additional Roosevelts and additional Mercuries in here. So in total, I got 59 Roosevelt dimes and 56 Mercury dimes for a total of 115 dimes, 115 silver dimes. Pretty cool, huh? I'm curious again. In my one video I kind of flipped these over to see the silver loss. Let's see if we can do it like that again. So even though Mercuries pull a higher premium, look at the difference in silver loss. Look at how much lower in the tube the Mercuries are. And that's purely because of silver loss. So Roosevelts really are the better deal if you can get them, because they have more silver and they're usually cheaper. But who doesn't love a good Mercury dime? So I picked those up when I have the opportunity. And then again, here's the miscellaneous, the 9 Roosevelts and the 6 Mercuries. Alright, so that's it on the dimes. And let me go ahead and put these out in the pile. I really like to see them. So these are Rosies. And then let's move them over here a little bit. Here's our Mercuries. Oh man, beautiful coins, aren't they? Just gorgeous. Let's get this little bag open and put these out as well. I mean, a lot of stuff I'm getting from this guy. I've got, a lot of extra containers. These are cheaper ones. They may not go for a lot, but when I get these extra containers, this all helps towards me not having to buy more supplies for myself. So, runaway dime. So there's all the Roosevelts, and then here's these 6 Mercuries. So there's all the dimes. Alright. So what else I got was some quarters. So let's open these up. Got 20 quarters. Nice old silver quarters. Aren't those a treat? Look at those beauties, huh? Ooh, kind of love it. Got my bracelet sitting there making some extra noise. So I've got 20 quarters. Pretty awesome. Look at that pile of Constitutional Silver. And then finally, I got 10 Kennedys. Now, he didn't sell these as uncirculated like he has the other ones he sold me. As you can clearly see, some of these are in very good shape. Shiny. Another one. Anybody like that sound? Ooh, sounds good. So, also, at Kennedy's. Pretty cool, huh? Let me lift my camera up to get all that awesomeness. So pretty cool. So 10 Kennedys, 59 Roosevelts, 56 Mercurys, and 20 quarters. If you do the math, so in dimes alone, because we have 115, that's $11.5, plus 20 quarters is $5, plus 10 Kennedys is $5. So that gives us $21.50 in face value. $21.50. So if we multiply that by 0.715, that gives us 15.3725. So as I said earlier, 15.37 ounces of silver in all these coins. And again, at a buck under spot, technically $1.01, just a fantastic deal. And if you're wondering, I mean, the reason why I'm not turning this down is because of the deal I'm getting. If I need to resell it, I'm pretty confident I can at least break even on it, because at a buck below spot, I mean, probably if I took it to a coin shop, I don't know, I've never tried to sell constitutional silver to a coin shop, but I do know for sure if I list on eBay, I could make a lot more than spot. I was looking at some auctions on eBay just last night, and I tell you, people are really paying a lot for constitutional silver out there. So if I wanted to go through the time and energy to break this out, put it on eBay, create an auction, do some selling, which I used to do a lot of, I haven't much lately, I could really make some decent money off this stuff. But there'd be some time and effort and energy into listing the ad, paying the fees, and then, you know, packaging it all up and shipping it out. But it is an avenue I can use if indeed I ever need to cash this back in. So pretty confident that I'm doing okay, and that's why I'm picking it up. So what do you guys think? I trust if you had this opportunity, you'd be doing the same thing. And so that's what I'm doing. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.